Hello, everybody. I'm Madame Sensei. I teach Spanish, French, and Japanese out here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest to high schoolers. And I am thinking my way through the Harvard Project Zero thinking routines, adapting them for use in my classroom. So if you want to help me create ideas around this, either talk to me at studio-nemo.com or ping me on the Duolingo Educators Network, or you can find me in the Minecraft Education Ambassadors. Today we are looking at Think, Feel, Care, which is in the Digging Deeper into Ideas section. And again, these are at Harvard, pz.harvard.edu/thinking-routines. Link is in the description. It also occurs in investigating objects and systems. So this is Think, Feel, Care, a routine to foster perspective taking within a system. So if you're looking at grammar, you've got a pop-up grammar lesson suddenly came up, you're using the grammar translation method, you're doing the audiolingual method, and you're looking at transformation drills, community language learning, and your class has written a script, and now you've got to dissect it in front of them, or you're working straight out of your textbook, then this thinking routine is really golden for practicing emotion words. So when you want to say he feels, he's surprised, I find it really, really useful for my first-year Spanish students because they're mixing up ser and estar a lot and they need the extra practice. So this works pretty well for that. If you use the communicative approach, then you have the students do a little role play and you could set the stage with some cultural event that you want to show them. But remember that the communicative approach often uses an imbalance, well, not often, it always uses an imbalance of power as you strive to communicate. So you've got to encourage your students to choose one role is the person in charge, and the other one is the person receiving instruction. When you're teaching literature, culture, history, art, music, food, I've used this a lot when we're showing videos about a cultural event such as the running of the bulls, Semana Santa in Andalusia, and La Fiesta de la Tomatina right here in Buñol. I like to find really emotional vignettes. The kids glom onto the emotional stuff much better. If you read to your students, and you really should read a lot to your students, have your students use this thinking routine on some of the characters and allow them to jump around to different character heads to get more perspectives. Because I think a lot of the problems with the world right now is that empathy piece that people are lacking. So I very much appreciate this thinking routine. Next episode is going to be Tug for Truth. Hope to see you there.